Oh yeah, that machine is very, very nice. Pretty dang quiet, people. I'll turn it on. And that's only at 5. It can go up to 6. But that is what it has done. So that is where I'm at. It's really getting late. I smell people barbecuing and stuff, so I don't want to make a racket. So I just did that little part. But I mean, wow, is that ever nice? Wow. You remember seeing what it was, guys. Holy moly. With a little bit of elbow grease. Well, a lot. But I got this stuff here. And so, rust killer, all that. I don't recall it being gray. I stirred the heck out of it. But what I'm thinking is just putting that on the bare metal that I have, because I'm going to be done for the night because it is late. I don't want to monologue. But anyways, I'm going to put this on so that it is good. It's supposed to be plus 11 tomorrow, double digits finally. So I'm going to get this done because it does. Oh, hello. Oh, Steve, my brother. But anyways, so I want to get this done and just that stuff on there because it does get frosty at nighttime. So that's my goal. So I'll bring you back again probably tomorrow, and we'll start continuing. Alrighty, see you soon. So it's actually the next day, but it is absolutely gorgeous out. It is plus 11, the expo said. Domino, soaking up the sun, loving life. And so where I left it is I put on and rollered on that stuff. Why it's not clear like the other rust converter, I don't know, but it said it did the same thing. But it is weird. But that's where I'm at now. I got this part all sanded. So I'll have to re-sand all this off, I think, eventually. It says that you can primer it, so I don't know. Maybe I'll just scuff this up. I don't know. But I hadn't done anything with the door yet, so I know I gotta still do the 80 grit on the door. As you can see, I still need to do all along the bottom. So I'm gonna grab the trusty piece of kneeling implement and start hitting the whole bottom side here and get that knocked out of the park, because it is absolutely gorgeous out here. So that's where I'm going to be at. That's what I'm going to get done. So I'm going to get at it. I know the wifey's doing some stuff inside, some organizing, so that she can take some video for her channel, because she does crochet. So it's cool. So I'm going to start blasting this. So I'm going to throw the ball around for Dom and hang out with Dom for a little bit, and then I'm going to get at her. Alrighty, guys. Talk to you soon. Oh, people, I'm getting after it. Oh, here you go, Kiwi. See, I do have some safety goggles on. Yes, I don't have the guard, but I do have the safety glasses. So, told you I would. So, there we go. You can see we have a bit of a freaking right there. A bit of a hoo-da-how. But I got it all down to steel. So, I mean, that is much progress. And it sounds and feels a lot better. So I got along this rail. So now it'll be the other machine. But I am happy with that. Crawling on that, doing that, oh, makes me wish I had a lift. Because down, sitting, oopa, I'm old. That's all there is to say about that. But there we go. So I'm going to hit up some more. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. If I'm just going to peel it off, I don't know. But I'll figure it out. I'm not sure I like that stuff, guys. Maybe if I had a better roller. If I had, because I was using this roller and I think it's got too much texture to it. So I think if I use like a regular sponge one, I'm thinking that's what I might do, is sand all of this, get it all good and solid with the 80, and then maybe grab the other roller and roller that stuff on, and then primer over top of that. So maybe it'll have a lot less texture to it, because it's got quite a bit of texture. I don't know how well, you can't really tell because it's all covered. But that's where we're at. Oh, and I just got a notification for Dustin Davis. So I got another video to watch. Yay! So that's where I'm at. I am very comfortable with it. It's still quite early in the day. Got some cloud cover moving in. But it's crazy melting. You can see how much it's really starting to melt now. So I'm quite happy with that. So it's really doing well. Alrighty, so I'm gonna get back at it. Talk to you in a little bit. Oh, people. Look at how nice that looks. I got here, and I just started doing in here, but you can see the difference. Like, oh man. Like, oh, it's turning out so incredible, people. I tried hitting that. All it does is, you can see, gum up the disc. So I'm not 100% sure I'm going to be using that for that. I may use it on the inside because, you know, who cares? But I'm not too happy with it there. So I think what I'm going to do is take some thinner and see if I can just wipe it off and go from there. But, oh, I'm so happy with this. So, this takes a bit of time, mind you. I'm not going to put you guys through watching me do it. But with those things, I think it was 100 of them for 21 bucks. So it works out to like 21 cents a sheet. This piece, all of here, took me one sheet. So honestly, that's not bad. I don't think that's bad at all. So if a guy can do this whole side with 3 or 4 sheets, a buck or two, I think a guy wins. And listen to how, like, this thing is so quiet. So for 100 bucks, people, name brand, 100 bucks. I don't think you can go wrong, guys. Get one. They are pretty top notch so far. Not a sponsor, but I'm very, very happy with it. Okay, I'm gonna get back to work. Bye-bye. Oh yeah. Hopefully that comes out. you can really see. But oh man, how much better does that look? Holy moly. On the bottom, I'm not gonna lie, you can see there on the door, as well as over there. I did not do a 100% incredible job. I'm going to be honest. I cleaned it all up. I did a good job. And then I sprayed it with some actual rust neutralizer. And I'm just letting that dry. And while that's drying, I'm just going to clean up the rest of the paint and get it ready for some primer. Because I am extremely, look at that, guys, like, holy moly, doing this and this. So I'm very, very excited. I'm happy. It was a heck of a lot better than what it was. So I'm just going to touch up a little bit in here so that I can blend it out a little bit so it don't look hideous. But I'm, wow. I'm strangely comfortable with that. I'm not going to lie. So that's where I'm going to go next. I got that already sitting on there. We got our chop video up. We did a little video with freaking Dom. So that's good. Because this won't be out probably for a week or so-ish. Because we got some other videos that we want to put up. And I've been doing this now for a few days. So same with the roof, because that video is already up. But that is where we're at. So I'm going to shut down the whole monologuing thing here. And I'm going to get back to work. And I'll bring you in when it's all freaking copacetic. Oh, I'm excited, people. What? Oh, it just turned out so nice. It just did. And if I can do it, being fat, walk around with a speech problem and a horrible limp, anybody can. Alrighty, I'm getting it done, people. Talk to you soon. There we go. Look at that, everybody. Perfection, no. Good enough for now. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Very, very happy. Blend it out all right. I am not bumhurt about that at all, people. Compared to where that was. I mean, just goes to show, just a little bit at a time. A little bit at a time. Wifey got a hold of a friend of ours, so we're going to be able to get an engine lift as soon as it finishes, because this will be not out right away. But you can see even from this morning, look at how much it's been melting out. I don't know if that comes up on camera very well, but that is all water. Look at the pool. I mean, we can't do much until all this goes away. We can do some more of the top end work on the motor, but we can't get in there to do bell housing and torque converter or starter or any of that stuff until this is gone. But man, what a beautiful day. Like, it's really melting nice. I am tickled. But how much better. I'll go to the other side and just, you can see that whole piece. Look at this, see? You remember this morning, it wasn't like this, guys. but you can definitely see where I have done. And then there is the old look. So I mean, you can definitely tell a noticeable difference. Like, look at that. Like, you can just see the texture. So that's a big difference. So that's where I'm going to leave you guys. I have been getting lots of progress done on this car. Makes me very, very happy. And so when the wifey and I can get out and finish taking this bad boy out and put in that 350, figure out the wiring and get all that, and have this running and driving, hopefully under its own steam, that'll be so very, very awesome. Alrighty, God bless you all. Thanks for liking and commenting and subscribing. You guys are incredible. So thank you very much for hanging out with me for the 72 Chevelle project. You guys have a great day. God bless. Bye-bye.